Fuel injectors play a crucial role in the efficiency and performance of your engine. They ensure the precise delivery of fuel to the combustion chamber, which affects everything from fuel economy to engine power. Today, we'll review the top 5 best fuel injectors for maximizing your vehicle's performance. Denso fuel injectors, Delphi fuel injectors, ACDelco fuel injectors, Siemens Deka fuel injectors, and Ford OEM fuel injectors. Whether you're upgrading or replacing your fuel injectors, these products are known for their reliability and performance. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Denso fuel injectors. The Denso fuel injectors are well known for their precision engineering and high-performance delivery, making them a trusted choice for both OEM and aftermarket replacements. Denso, a leading name in automotive parts, designs injectors that provide accurate fuel delivery, ensuring optimum combustion and efficiency. Key features: Denso fuel injectors come with features such as a stainless steel body for enhanced durability and an advanced nozzle design for efficient fuel atomization. They also include microfine injectors that ensure precise fuel flow, improving engine response and fuel efficiency. The injectors are designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, from sedans to trucks. Benefits and usage: Denso injectors offer improved fuel atomization, leading to better combustion and enhanced engine performance. These injectors can improve both fuel efficiency and throttle response, making them ideal for drivers looking to enhance their vehicle's overall performance. Whether you're replacing a damaged injector or upgrading, Denso injectors provide reliable performance. Usability: the Denso injectors are designed for ease of installation, compatible with various vehicle models. Their OEM quality engineering ensures a perfect fit and consistent fuel delivery, making them an excellent choice for those who want a hassle-free upgrade. These injectors perform well even in high-demand engines, ensuring smooth operations. Durability: with a stainless steel construction and high-quality internal components, Denso fuel injectors are built to last. They are resistant to corrosion and wear, ensuring longevity even under extreme driving conditions. This durability makes them a solid investment for long-term performance and reliability. In the second spot, we have Delphi fuel injectors. The Delphi fuel injectors are known for their cutting-edge technology and precision. Delphi is an industry leader in fuel system components, and its fuel injectors are designed to deliver efficient and consistent fuel flow for a variety of vehicles, from daily drivers to high-performance cars. Key features: Delphi injectors boast an innovative design that includes advanced solenoid technology and high-precision nozzles for accurate fuel delivery. They are known for their low-noise operation and enhanced fuel atomization, ensuring complete combustion. Delphi also integrates multi-port fuel injection systems, providing balanced fuel distribution. Benefits and usage: Delphi fuel injectors are perfect for improving engine efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. Their high precision ensures that the right amount of fuel is delivered to the engine, resulting in better throttle response and smoother acceleration. These injectors are ideal for anyone looking to enhance fuel economy and engine power. Usability: Delphi injectors are designed for ease of installation, fitting most major vehicle models. They come pre-calibrated, meaning users can replace old injectors without the need for further adjustments. The straightforward design ensures compatibility with a wide range of engines, making it easy to get your vehicle back on the road. Durability: Delphi fuel injectors are built to last, with durable components that are resistant to wear and tear. The advanced materials used in the solenoids and nozzles ensure long-term reliability, even in high-performance engines. This durability, combined with their precise operation, makes them an excellent choice for long-term vehicle maintenance. Coming in at number 3 is the ACDelco fuel injectors. ACDelco fuel injectors are the go-to choice for many GM vehicles and are known for their dependability and consistency. ACDelco, being GM's official parts provider, delivers high-quality injectors that meet or exceed OEM standards, making them a trusted option for those looking to replace or upgrade their fuel injectors. Key features: these injectors feature high-quality construction, including stainless steel bodies and precision machine components. ACDelco injectors come with advanced solenoid technology that ensures consistent and efficient fuel flow. The injectors are engineered for optimal fuel atomization, which enhances engine performance and fuel efficiency. Benefits and usage. ACDelco injectors are designed to deliver the exact amount of fuel needed for efficient combustion, which helps in improving fuel economy and engine performance. Whether you're driving a daily commuter or a performance vehicle, these injectors ensure smooth acceleration and optimal throttle response, making them ideal for various driving conditions. Usability. These injectors are engineered to fit a wide range of GM vehicles, including trucks, SUVs, and sedans. Their OEM compatibility means that installation is straightforward, with no need for additional modifications. ACDelco injectors provide reliable fuel delivery, making them suitable for both factory replacements and performance upgrades. Durability. Built with durable materials, ACDelco fuel injectors are designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving. Their stainless steel construction resists corrosion, and the high-quality internals ensure long-lasting performance. These injectors are made to endure harsh conditions, providing reliable service for years to come. Taking our fourth spot is Siemens Deka fuel injectors. Siemens Deka fuel injectors are a popular choice among performance enthusiasts, known for their high flow rates and consistent fuel delivery. Siemens is a well-established name in automotive parts, and their injectors are designed to cater to both high-performance and standard engine needs. Key features. Siemens Deka injectors feature a compact, lightweight design and high flow rates, making them ideal for turbocharged or supercharged engines. They come with advanced solenoid technology for quick response times and precise fuel delivery. Siemens Deka injectors are available in various flow rates, allowing for customization depending on the engine's performance requirements. Benefits and usage. These injectors are perfect for those looking to optimize fuel delivery for high-performance engines. With their high flow rates, Siemens Deka injectors provide the fuel needed for enhanced combustion and increased power output. Whether you're building a race car or just want better engine performance, these injectors can handle the job. Usability. Siemens Deka injectors are highly versatile, making them suitable for a range of vehicles and performance setups. Their compact design and wide compatibility make installation relatively straightforward, and the high flow rates make them perfect for engines that demand more fuel for maximum output. Durability. Siemens Deka injectors are built to withstand the increased demands of high-performance engines. Their durable construction ensures longevity, even under intense conditions. These injectors are engineered to handle higher fuel pressures, making them an excellent option for modified engines that need consistent, high-volume fuel delivery. And finally, at number 5, we have Ford OEM fuel injectors. Ford OEM fuel injectors are specifically designed for Ford vehicles, offering seamless integration and optimal performance. If you own a Ford vehicle, these injectors are engineered to provide factory-spec fuel delivery, ensuring the perfect balance between performance and efficiency. Key features. These injectors come with a high-precision nozzle design that delivers the right amount of fuel for efficient combustion. Ford OEM injectors feature durable materials, including corrosion-resistant metals and high-grade plastic components. They are engineered to meet or exceed OEM standards, making them a perfect fit for Ford vehicles. Benefits and usage. Ford OEM injectors ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly, offering consistent fuel delivery that improves fuel economy and engine performance. These injectors are ideal for those looking to maintain factory specifications, ensuring that their Ford vehicle runs as intended, with reliable performance and improved longevity. Usability. Installation is straightforward, as these injectors are specifically designed for Ford vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit without the need for modifications. Whether you're maintaining your daily driver or upgrading your engine, Ford OEM injectors offer ease of installation and immediate performance benefits. Durability. Built to Ford's high standards, these injectors are durable and resistant to wear and tear. The materials used are designed to withstand harsh driving conditions, ensuring long-term reliability. These injectors are a great choice for Ford owners looking for a long-lasting, factory-quality fuel delivery system. Choosing the right fuel injector is essential for maintaining your vehicle's performance and efficiency. Whether you're looking for OEM precision with Ford injectors or high-performance capability with Siemens Deka injectors, these top 5 options offer something for every need. Fuel injectors are a critical component in keeping your engine running smoothly, so investing in the right one will not only improve fuel economy, but also enhance overall engine life. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert product reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.